Managing rental properties is a stressful business, and as your portfolio grows, it can only get worse, leaving you in the dark, consumed by pressure and headaches at every turn. What if you did not have to deal with finding and screening your tenants anymore? No more having to deal with a maintenance request or having to chase down payments every single month. What if you didn't have to do anything but sit back, relax, and watch the money from your investments come in on time consistently? This is what Keaty Real Estate Property Management provides. A seamless digital management service empowered by top-tier professionals who are working for you and your tenants 24/7, 365. Through our digital portal, we find, screen, and fill your vacancies. Tenants can pay their rent online and schedule a maintenance request, all through an easy-to-use application and website. All you have to do is sign up, sit back, and wait for the money to arrive. Find out how at KeatyRealEstatePropertyManagement.com.